Hey everyone, welcome, welcome, welcome. And hi to Sebastian. Happy Christmas.
Hello everyone. Hi, how are you? I hope you like my little Christmas tree over here.
It's beautiful.
I put on my little Christmas jumper.
Yes,
Yeah,
it's exciting.
I've never washed it. It's around 2 years old. But if I wash it, it'll shrink. And I only wear it twice a year. So I figure why bother? There is a little stain, maybe a little bit of red wine, which is the worst, but it's not very noticeable.
Sebastian, I think you need to get more down to earth, honestly. You're such a
I know. I need to grow up.
well, I'm so excited because we're going to be doing a draw today for this gorgeous watercolor painting that Sebastian has painted. This is not the original. This is a photocopy of it because I don't have the original and neither does Sebastian at this moment.
It's in my studio. Sorry, guys. My
Yeah.
bad.
So we're excited. So when did you make this painting, Sebastian?
Well, we did this painting earlier on in the year. It was a
Yes.
it was a demonstration for all the people interested in the Provence vacation, and it's one of the reasons why I wanted to do this giveaway is because I just wanted to let people know how excited I am, as well as everybody else needs to know that this amazing opportunity is out there, and I just wanted to give something back to everyone that's tuning in. And yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful place. So I'm really, really excited about going there.
Cool, super cool. And when people come on this workshop in Provence that we're
Mhm.
planning,
Mhm.
what will people learn in the workshop?
Okay, so we're going to be going over all of the fundamentals of composition, color, and all the basics of plein air painting. Okay, there's all of those things will be nailed down, but what I really want to get across to people is how to really, really capture the fun of being out there and not get bogged down by having to do a good painting, and just to focus on enjoying ourselves out there, because I think a lot of people get really, really kind of, stressed about watercolor because it's a tricky, medium. It's one of the trickiest. So it's one of the main things I want to get across is seeing a scene, finding a scene, and picking a part of that scene and how to make it fun to paint.
That sounds great. And I think you're probably the most fun oriented of all the instructors at Studio 56.
Yeah, okay, I like that. Well, it's if it can't be fun, then why are we doing it?
Exactly. 100% agree with that.
We
So
had
what is
fun doing it
your
when we were kids. We had fun painting when we were kids. We weren't, oh, I have to get it perfect. So, it's there in us.
yeah, I totally agree with that. And so what if you're a beginner watercolorist though? You've just only tried it a few times and you're just not sure. What about those people?
So even if you've never picked up a brush before, okay, I've developed a few exercises that will introduce the fundamentals of watercolor, okay? And this exercise, it's also great for advanced watercolorists because it's a great warm-up tool, and I do it at the start of all of my workshops. So you know what? I'm almost jealous if you haven't picked up watercolor or tried it before, because you get to start it with a clean slate and just, go in a good start.
Yeah, just fresh, just learning
Exactly.
from scratch. Well, that sounds great. So, and an advanced watercolorist can still learn things as
Yeah,
well.
so any of those guys, now we're going to be focusing in on composition in a way that we can really, really develop a scene into being something nice to look at. Okay, so there's lots of tips and tricks that I'll show everyone, where it's just a matter of finding something that stimulates you, that drew you to the scene, and then capturing that, releasing it onto the page. Okay, so
Cool.
we'll be going deep with those guys.
Last question for you. How large will the group be?
Okay, so it's a maximum of 15, which is good. It's a small group, so that means I get to give everyone some one-on-one
Yeah,
attention. And it's a perfect size.
that sounds great. sounds wonderful. We are going to have a lot of fun on this workshop, and after every art class, we're going to
I was going to ask you, what are we going to be doing after the classes?
So we're gonna start off in Avignon. We're gonna have our art class in the morning, and then we're gonna tour the Palais des Papes, which was the palace of the popes. It was the Vatican for 100 years, was located in Avignon, and so we're gonna tour that magnificent palace, and then we're gonna walk on the Pont Benezet, which was the nursery rhyme sur le pont d'Avignon, so that was based on that bridge. So we're going to go right out to the end of that. We're going to sing the song in French and then dance around, and that's just day one. And then on the following days, we're going to visit hilltop villages. We're going to go to Gordes, Roussillon, Aix-en-Provence, Bonnieux, Menerbes, and Saint-Remy. And when we're there, we're going to do a wine tasting. We're going to tour an ochre factory. We're going to visit a Cezanne's studio in Aix. We're going to go to the sanatorium where Van Gogh spent the most of the last year of his life. And we're going to visit a huge Roman archaeological site where you can walk through the Roman ruins on this archaeological site. It's a fantastic tour. We're going to have a lot of fun.
Amazing. And tell me, what's the hotel like?
We're going to stay in a cloister. Yeah. So it's a former cloister, and now it's been made into a lovely hotel. There's a rooftop pool. There's a gorgeous garden. It's going to be fantastic.
And what about the food and wine?
Well, I already told you we're going to have a wine tasting, but you can drink wine. It flows in the streets there. It's Provence. Come on.
Wow.
And
we're going to be very merry.
Yes. Food is fantastic as well. And the couple of years we visited a Michelin star restaurant. It wasn't too expensive. It was fantastic. We had a wonderful time.
Amazing. And one of the most important questions before I pick out the winner, I just want to know, how can people sign up?
Visit www.studio56boutique.com. Go to the pull down menu called Travel Workshops, and you'll see it right there, second from the top. And people should hurry because we are going to be closing registration soon. Our workshop is happening in April, and so at some point we really have to close off registration. But we do have a few tickets left, so go there and sign up.
Amazing, very exciting. So, are we ready?
Are we ready? Drum roll.
Okay, here we go. I have every single person that entered is in here. Okay. I have their number, their name, okay? So I'm going to pick it out.
Yes. You got the order number.
I'm just winding you up a little bit, guys.
I'm going to look up who the order number is matched to, the name.
Okay, so I have the number on here, and then Brenda's going to look up the name associated to that number. Are we ready?
I'm ready.
I have the number here, okay?
Okay.
So let's see. It is 17500.
17500. Okay, and I will tell you who that is. 17500. Oh my goodness! The winner of this beautiful original watercolor painting is Joanna Singh from Utah. Ooh. Hi, Joanna. I know Joanna.
Oh, congratulations, Joanna.
Yeah, Joanna was just on my trip to Edinburgh. Yeah.
Nice. Well done, Joanna. Congratulations.
I don't know. No, I don't think she's on this call. Anyway, congratulations to Joanna. Yay.
Joanna, your painting will be in the next week's post. If not tomorrow, the next day.
Yes, okay. Congratulations. Hey, everyone, thanks for popping in, and thanks for signing up for this draw. And I just want to wish you genuinely a very happy Christmas and a happy New Year. And we hope to see all of you soon.
The same. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And we'll hopefully see you soon.
All right. Take care. Thank you, Sebastian. Thank you so much.
No problem. Bye.
Bye.